Introducing next, the defending champion, Masamba Elite. Jersey number 15, Paulo Cruz. Jersey number 27, Richard Provincial. Jersey number 5, Mauro Sama. Jersey number 34, Aaron Barrera. Jersey number 9, Larry Kennedy. Jersey number 8, Alves Lopez. Jersey number 7, Tito Ugarte. Jersey number 17, Khalil Kunanes. Jersey number 22, Andrew Katu. And jersey number 3, Josh Onana. And the coach, that's the FPD of last season, the coach, Mr. John Pineda. Okay, breaking. Guys, 5 minutes warm up. 5 minutes warm up.